So what's up, y'all? It's me, Handy Danny, once again, and here I am. Man, you know, I'm just everywhere, okay? I mean, every time you see me, it's a different scene because I really be doing this thing. I really does it. I really does it. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, I'm gonna hang a TV here. This process is gonna be real simple, real easy. If you have to hang a TV, this is how you do it. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, right? All right, so now what I wanna do is I've measured, the mount is already on the back of the TV. Half the work is done for me. I don't have to show you that part. Putting the mount on the back of the TV is real simple, real easy, okay? Now I measured where the mount's gonna hit. So I'm gonna go up about another inch. I'm gonna go up about 18 inches. It's hitting at 17 inches, so I'm gonna mark that real quick. And let's go up, actually we're gonna go 2 inches. We're gonna go 19 inches. Okay. Now, most TVs have a sliding mechanism where you can slide the TV back and forth. I'm a little crooked there. I don't like how crooked I am. But I can usually slide the TV back and forth. So I'm just gonna find the center and put the TV in the center. And that way, if they wanna slide the TV to the right or left to justify it, they can do that, whatever, okay. So, how do I do that? From wood to wood, I'm gonna go, it's 77 inches, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my tape measure, because if I don't really wanna even think about what's the middle between 77 inches, I put my little marker right there, as you can see, at 77 inches, and right down through the middle, it says it's about 38 inches or so, 38 inches and a half, okay? So somebody check me on that. Who's gonna check me, boo? 38 and a half inches is my center mark. I'm gonna put this back in 19, and I'm gonna make a cross right there at 17 inches, 19 inches, and 38 and a half. Now what I'm going to do is, you guys caught me without a Milwaukee tool. This is my 3-inch level. It's really hard to find a 3-inch level if you ever had to find one. And I'm going to make a level mark right here at 19 inches. So right there I'm level, okay? And now I'm gonna take my bracket. My bracket is 28 inches. Half of 28 inches. Let's go ahead and do that again. It's gonna be about 14 inches, okay? So 14 inches is the center. So I'm gonna do 14 right here in the middle, okay? I'm gonna mark on my bracket the 14. So I know where my center mark is, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is, I got my screws, I got my gun, I'm ready. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and put it about in the center, okay? I got it in the center. I got my 14 mark. I'm gonna go up a little bit higher, and we're going into wood. So my screws barely made it without a washer. And typically you need a washer when your screw is going to go through the bracket that you're mounting, okay? So now what I want to do is, I got level, that's a little small, and what's up, Queen Tommy?
Chilling, just got done.
Alright. Yeah.
How are y'all?
Pretty good. being that we're going into wood, the TV is a little heavy. I am adding extra screws. I'm adding my screws where they'll definitely hold the mount and catch, because I want to make sure that this big old heavy TV is gonna stay up there. I'm making a YouTube video. Oh no, you're not this for this.
Oh, okay. I'm like,
This is like
I need to make a video of myself.
you know, make sure you get all cute and everything, so I can do an interview with you and say, you know, how Handy Danny get down.
Yes.
So, anytime you're using the impact, you know, I like to hear that gurgle to where I know I'm catching some meat. Okay?
Did I tell you something?
Got some meat there. So
Did I
what?
tell you to cut my hair off?
Nah, I seen the picture on Facebook.
Oh, yeah, I cut my hair off.
All right, so we're still level. We're good and level. And now it's time to throw the TV up there. And boy, this TV heavy. Woo!
Sorry, there's something wrong with it. I bet.
Oh no, those are your bolts.
Oh.
Okay. So now I am hooked. But that's it right there. That's how you mount a TV. I just threw the screws up there. You can see the TV is up there, it's hanging, it's good, it's beautiful. And you know, if you decide you need a TV mounted, you're in the Columbus, Ohio area, and you got my information here on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, rate, like, and there's the TV right there.
Hey.
So, here goes the homeowner right here.
Hi.
Queen Dami. Shout out your channel. Shout out your channel. What's
Shout out to the YouTube channel Queendom and DRD Vacuums. The only one that's monetized is the DRD Vacuums one.
All right, all right.
I'm making some chicken and baked potatoes.
Oh, you want to make a cooking video here?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
So right now I'm just getting them ready
All right.
to bake.
Yeah.
That chicken is in the.
No, we're not making that video right now, okay? We're not making that video for real. But yeah, so it's Handy Danny, you know, but we're gonna come with the cooking. We're gonna do the cooking takeover, or the D&D vacuum takeover on my channel here real soon. So, you know, thanks for watching, and I talk to you guys
subscribe.
later. I got more business calling right now. I gotta go. Peace out. Bye.